Hey everyone, good evening here, afternoon here. It's Gay on here in Southern California. Today is March 19th, 2020. So in light of what's going on with the coronavirus, I know the craze is there's no hand sanitizers available out there at the store. So today I want to share with you guys, I'm going to show you guys a video on how to create your own hand sanitizer at home. So I hope this helps, guys. Let's watch this video real quick and we'll show you guys how to create your own hand sanitizer at home.
Fortunately, you can make your own hand sanitizer with two ingredients that you probably have around in your house right now. Here's Charlie Wojciechowski.
Good afternoon. You all read the stories about how there is a shortage in some places of hand sanitizer or hand sanitizer cleaning wipes in stores, but you can make your own. It's not exactly the same thing you'll find at the store, but it will do the job. According to the CDC, you need two basic ingredients. First, aloe vera gel. You should be able to find that at almost any drugstore. This might be a little bit harder to find. This is isopropyl alcohol in a 99% concentration. It's stronger than the typical stuff you will find. Why do you want it that strong? Because you're mixing it with the aloe vera gel. The CDC says for this to be effective, you need at least 60% alcohol in the mixture. Now, once you do this, it's very, very simple. We've already put the ingredients into two little containers here. First, this is the aloe vera gel. Scoop it right out into a mixing bowl. And the ratio is very simple. 1 part of the aloe vera gel to 2 parts of the isopropyl alcohol. Mix them together and you do it very, very thoroughly. What you'll get is kind of a slurry little mixture. And when you're done with this, that's pretty much what you have. Keep stirring it a little bit better than I have, and you will have the same kind of ingredients that work in a hand sanitizer. Now, doctors recommend this is not what you want to do every day because alcohol can dry out your skin. Typical professional hand sanitizers have emollients in them. They prevent that drying out action from happening. But right now, if you cannot find the Purell or other brands in the stores, you can make it yourself using ingredients you have at home, and it really is just as simple as I've done here. When it's all mixed up, pour it into small, clean containers. You can put those in your pocket, take them with you. Reporting live here from Cafe 5, Charlie Wojciechowski, NBC 5 News.
All right, guys, so that's it. So I wanted to share that with you guys how to make your hand sanitizer at home, because we know in most cases, I know down here where I in California, there's none. You can't find them in the store. So just for now, until the stores we get past the stores are able, we get back to normal. This is how you can at this time at home make your own hand sanitizer. Very simple, 2 ingredients, guys. So hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I know we're all at home now. We're stuck at home with our kids. If you want to learn some activities that you can do with your kids, I'm gonna have a link here in below the description where you can find. I just did a video on my Facebook on how to 4 activities to help you guys out with kids at home. So that's available. I have that link there, abcmouse.com. You can see right here on my screen. That's a website I recommend if you have kids between the ages of 2 and 8. Great website to go. A lot of activities there, reading, math lessons, art projects, games. So that's a great resource, abcmouse.com. Go there. Right now, like as you can see here, it's 74% off. So I'm going to have the link here for you and 4 things that can help you guys, activities that you do at home with your kids. Also, if you're, looking for a secondary source of income, want to look at a home business, that's something that you can do from home without ever leaving your home. Be able to create some income from home in health and wellness. I'm going to have a link here as well. You can go there to learn more on a home business. And if it's not a fit for you, that's okay. Try to find a great business that resonates with you that you can do from home and start creating some secondary income from home. Maybe you have friends and family that's trying to reach out to you to share with you an opportunity. Maybe you shut them down, but right now it's a great time as we're all sitting at home. Great time to learn how you can start building a home business from home and creating some secondary income. So that's my tip for today, guys. Have a wonderful day. Gay on here signing off, and I'll see you guys again soon. Woohoo!